Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your review removed on Airbnb listing or Airbnb platform in general. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will find this home page. So basically you will need to go to the users by editing the URL of the website. You will add users, and then you will add reviews. So basically you will need to add these two things or two elements, so it will redirect you to this page. After that, you will find all the reviews that are submitted by you, and those are the reviews about you by other hosts or etc. So if you find that review that is offensive or anything, all you need to do is to report the review, because there is no direct way to remove a review from the Airbnb platform. So basically all you need to do is to report the review. So you will find some report this review similar to this, and you will click on it, and then you will fill the reason why you want to report the review, and it will be your request or your complaint will be sent to the Airbnb support, and then they will remove the review if it didn't respect like the policies or the review policies of the Airbnb platform. So basically this is how it works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.